3, 2, 1. There you go. Oh boy.
Where's the answer? What's happening?
Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, that's crazy. No way. Okay, that's really cool.
What's wrong with the vending machine, dude?
That is so cool.
It's gonna break and crash.
It's going way up there, dude.
Can I get the movie?
Oh, there it goes.
Where's the car?
That's crazy.
Guys, it's the car. The car's.
Oh, wow. That is crazy. It is so cool.
It's going. I can't tell how there
It's
is.
not on there yet.
Is it going down?
Here. Oh, my God. This is See, once you see the color, so you can guess what the theme is going to be. Is it? Watch, it's the wrong color. Oh, no, that's it. That's right. That's the part.
Chicken Life 49ers.
Yes, it is.
It's 49ers.
That's
Isn't that nice?
No, that's wow. That's awesome. That's a horrible. So, dude, isn't that nice? I'm guessing it's like you need like together. This name is gonna be Sam because Sourdough Sam is the 49ers mascot. Wow, look at that, you guys.
It's so cool how they rotate it, like, so you can see it from all angles first.
Really, really cool. Look, there's no like crazy dents like it's right now. Isn't that nice? That is extremely cool.
Okay, here we go.